Wagwan people, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So today I will be doing my everyday makeup, you know, like quick and go out the door. No eyeshadow, no fancy thing, just foundation, eyebrows, lashes, lipstick or lip gloss, and we're out the door. I don't usually wear red lipstick, but because my top has a little red in it, I thought I would throw on some red lipstick for the purpose of this video. But this makeup look, it's quick and easy, you know, right out the door. If it is something that you are interested in seeing me create, then keep on watching. Bye. So today I haven't done a natural everyday makeup look. I am usually a natural girl. I like to just do my makeup and go. I don't usually do a lot of eyeshadow or fancy things when I'm, you know, in a rush, or typically when I'm going out, unless it's like for a specific occasion or so forth. I might do a little bit of fancy here and there, but other than that, I like to keep it simple and go, and that is exactly what we're doing today. My face is already primed using my Milk of Magnesia. I will be mixing today the Maybelline Fit Me and the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. You have been here for a while, you know that I either use these two or I use my True Matte. I'm just gonna dab it on my face, a little here and a little there of both of them.
You have another face. You got another face.
Yeah.
Mommy, I want to be my hairstyle.
No. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of primer to my brush before I start to blend this. I'm using the Catrice Matte Primer. I think I used this in my last tutorial video as well. So basically when I'm doing my natural look, I take my foundation and I apply it over my eyes as well, because I'm not going to be priming. My foundation is usually used as my primer. Conceal. I think this is in the shade creamy beige. I think I've spoken about this already. Then I'm going with this e.l.f. Cosmetics, just a little bit. So what I usually do, I don't like when my eyebrows get messy when I am blending out everything. So I usually go in and make sure I apply product where I know I'm going to be blending. So I haven't used this in a minute, but this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Contouring Stick. It is in the shade 804A, which is Oaks on You. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply this where I would normally put my contour.
Alright guys, so at this point in time, I was just literally over talking in this video. I had just finished doing a previous video and I was just, my mouth was just feeling exhausted. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump in from here on out using the voiceover method. Now I am going in to set everything using my Coty by Airspun loose translucent powder. to bring some warmth into my face, I am using the Milani press powder in 09. I believe this is medium. I always do these 2 steps, and if you've been here for a while, you would know that I always do this afterwards. Now I am just going over my eyebrows with an eye pencil just to ensure that any sparse area is completely filled in, and then I am going to go in with this mascara by Maybelline to do both my top and bottom lashes. Now I am going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is probably, or most likely, it's the best drugstore highlighter in my opinion. You know, I really like how bright it is, but if you know me, I don't really like my highlighter to be looking too crazy, so I always go over it with my brush. And then I'm going in with this red lipstick by Palladio to finish off this look. That is it for this natural everyday makeup look. One difference that I don't usually do that I did in this video was to put the white eyeliner underneath in my waterline, I should say. I don't usually do that, but I just thought because I knew I was gonna put on red lipstick, I would just like switch it up a bit. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, if you can tell, I'm feeling my Alright guys, so we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here and staying with me today. I really do enjoy your company, and I did enjoy your company. And yeah, if you're not subscribed as yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my content with, if you're not interested in this type of content, share it with someone who might be interested in this type of content. And if you are a true OG of mine or a true friend of mine, I'd also like you to share my content on any of your social media platforms, just to give me a little shout out, you know, to boost the channel. I would really appreciate it. Guys, don't forget to stay safe. It is crazy in these streets. Stay safe, and just make sure you're sanitizing and you're doing your social distancing, because trust me, it's crazy out there. Alright guys, take care until I see you guys next time. Bye.